Assalamu alaikum. Hello dear viewers, welcome back to another video. Today I watch you some colorful fish and they are looking good activities. I hope you enjoy this video. Don't move, be seated. So let's get started. This colorful fish are playing well. MashaAllah. Playing well. Beautiful scenery created here. Wow. They're playing well. Oh yeah. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. I want to watch this one. Oh, very nice, colorful fish. I want to watch you. Another one. Pink color. This is golden color rahu fish. This is another one, golden color rahu fish. This is another one. This little one. So beautiful, playing well. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Looking good. Oh, Hmm. I hope you enjoy this video. Not more today. See you next video. Allah Hafiz, tata, bye bye. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.